Hey guys, welcome back to Spice and Mix. So today we are going to prepare sliced cake with no sugar, no jaggery and also wheat flour. So without further ado, let's move into the recipe. For ingredients, here I've taken about 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour, about 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Next we need about 1/4 cup of melted butter. Next ingredient is about 1 cup of milk. Here I have used full fat. You can use skimmed milk as well. Here I am using unsweetened choco chip. This is optional. If you don't want, you can skip it. A little bit of salt. I'm going to use dry fruits here, almond and raisins as well. Next ingredient is essence. Here I'm using butterscotch essence. You can use vanilla essence as well. So now guys, to give sweetness to this cake, I'm going to use dates paste. So this paste I have prepared by boiling the dates in water for about 10 minutes. I have boiled it straight with a little bit of salt in that, and then after it cooled down, I have just ground this with the help of mixer. So you can prepare the dates paste in this way. So here I'm going to sieve the wheat flour, because when you're preparing cake, all the dry ingredient has to be sieved and it is a mandatory step. Next, after the wheat flour has been sieved, I'm going to sieve the baking powder as well. Now into this we are going to add all our wet ingredients, that is the butter, the dates paste, the milk, everything we are going to add in this. So guys, we are going to blend everything very nicely, but now I'm going to add milk in batches. Little by little I'll add and I'll blend it, and I'll add little by little and I'll blend it, because I don't want a lot of milk to be poured into this. So this is a mixture after I have blended. You can see that it is not too runny also and not too thick also. Into this I'm going to add essence and the dry fruits, and I'm going to mix it nicely with the cut and fold method. I'm going to fold it and I'm not going to over mix it. I'm just going to fold it nicely and I'm going to cut it. So cut and fold method I'm going to use. Now into this I'm going to add a little bit of choco chip. Save a little choco chip for the later decoration part also. So the choco chip also I'm going to mix it with the folding method. So guys, I'm going to prepare this cake in an idli steamer. So first we are going to preheat this idli steamer for about 10 minutes, and please preheat for exactly 10 minutes, not more or not less. So guys, this is a bread tin which is rectangular in shape like this. So you can line this with butter paper if you want, but here I didn't have butter paper, so I dusted this bread tin with some wheat flour, and then I'm going to pour this prepared mixture into this bread tin. So guys, here after pouring the cake mixture or the cake batter into the bread tin, I have just nicely topped it with some dry fruits and choco chip. We are going to steam this, or we are going to bake this cake for about 50 minutes on high flame. Now after pouring in the batter, you need to tap the cake tin or the bread tin nicely to release all the entrapped air. So guys, after 50 minutes here our cake is ready. Now to see if your cake is ready or no, you can just use that toothpick method. If your toothpick comes out clean, or if your knife comes out clean, that means your cake has been baked well. So now after 15 minutes cake would be ready. You just remove it, let it cool, and then you demold it. And after demolding it, cut it into nice slices. So here guys, you can see that it is very airy in nature. It's very soft and very fluffy and very airy in nature. So please do try this wheat cake at home, because here we are not using sugar and not using jaggery as well. So guys, if you like this slice cake recipe, please do give a thumbs up and also share it with your near and dear ones. And also, if you haven't subscribed to Spice and Mix, do subscribe it and also press the bell icon guys.